Imagine floating through a place where diamonds rain from the sky, shadows are darker than midnight, and a teaspoon of matter weighs more than a mountain. Welcome to space, a realm far stranger than you've ever imagined. Today, we're exploring 10 bizarre cosmic facts that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about the universe. 1. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts returning from spacewalks have reported a very peculiar scent clinging to their suits, something like burnt steak, welding fumes, or hot metal. This space smell comes from high-energy vibrations of atoms mixing after exposure to the vacuum of space. You'll never experience it on Earth, unless you become an astronaut. 2. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancri, an exoplanet about 40 light-years away, is believed to have a carbon-rich composition and extreme pressure that could turn graphite into diamond. Scientists estimate that at least 1/3 of this planet's mass could be pure diamond, making it quite literally a cosmic treasure. 3. Time runs differently in space. Einstein's theory of general relativity proves that gravity affects time. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth, by about 0.01 seconds per year, because they're farther from Earth's gravitational pull. Technically, they're time travelers. 4. A teaspoon of neutron star weighs 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars after a supernova. Their matter is so densely packed that just 1 teaspoon would weigh about 1 billion tons, roughly the mass of Mount Everest. Dropping it would probably punch a hole straight through the planet. 5. Space has no absolute up or down. In the vast emptiness of space, there's no universal up or down. Astronauts navigate using the position of spacecraft instruments or celestial bodies, but their sense of direction depends entirely on their frame of reference. 6. Venus spins backwards. Unlike most planets in our solar system, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to its orbit. That means if you stood on Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east, the complete opposite of what we experience on Earth. 7. You can't cry properly in space. Tears in space don't fall, they cling to your eyes in floating blobs of liquid because there's no gravity to pull them down. So if you cry in zero gravity, you'll end up with watery spheres floating around your face. 8. Shadows in space are pitch black. On Earth, shadows are softened by light scattered through the atmosphere. In space, without air to diffuse light, shadows are inky black and incredibly sharp. Astronauts say stepping from sunlight into shadow can drop temperatures by hundreds of degrees instantly. 9. There's a cold spot in the universe. In the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, scientists have detected a massive cold region, much larger and cooler than surrounding space. Some believe it's just a natural fluctuation, while others suggest it could hint at the existence of a parallel universe. 10. Space is completely silent. In space, no one can hear you scream, literally. Because sound needs a medium like air or water to travel, and the vacuum of space has none, all communication between astronauts outside a spacecraft is done via radio waves. Space is not just the final frontier, it's the ultimate mystery, filled with wonders and oddities that stretch our imagination. From planets made of diamonds to time-bending realities, every discovery challenges our understanding of what's possible. If this journey blew your mind, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who love the mysteries of the cosmos. The universe is vast, let's explore it together.